We just got a package. Wonder who it's from. So for some reason I was thinking of the Blues Clues song, but yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this video, guys. This is a little different than what you're normally used to seeing. So I did get a package from Ms.CaliBudgets, and this just says special delivery, all things budgeting, Ms.CaliBudgets. Back in June, she did send me a message on Instagram and asked me could she send me one of her PR boxes. Here it is. I finally got it. I went ahead and marked out her information, so let's see what we got. So this just says please recycle, and here's a little card, which is beautiful by the way, and it just says thank you so much for being a part of the PR team. I hope you love the envelope set that I created for you, as well all the other goodies. Please share code idesireewealth15 with your followers to receive 15% off, and the code expires August the 31st. Love, Ms.CaliBudgets. So there you have it, guys. You have a code for 15% off of her Etsy shop, which I will be linking this information below. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All things budgeting, smells like Happy Mail, Ms.CaliBudgets. And let's see if we can keep the top where we can actually open it. So here are the goodies. First we have this card here, and it just says Shine Babe. Next we have highlighters and a pen. So we have this one, and we have this color, and we also have this one, and this is the last one for the highlighter, which they're all beautiful by the way. Next we have and I'll just move this out the way. So we have cash totals, which are sticky notes, and it's a whole entire post-it of sticky notes for cash totals, for the bill breakdowns. And these here, you can just write out what you need from the bank, give this to your bank teller, and when you're finished you can just throw it away. So you have a whole book of these. And next you have weekly events, which let's see if they're sticky notes too. So yeah, those are sticky notes too. And you have weekly events with 6 spots to write things out. Next you have your monthly events with 6 lines as well to pretty much write everything out, and they all say Ms.CaliBudgets at the bottom. And then for this one you have an entire, are these sticky notes? Nope, they're not sticky notes, but they're just like a little expense tracker pad. So you have your due dates, transaction, you'll be able to add and subtract, and it's pretty thick, so you get a good amount. Next we'll move into my envelopes. So she did ask me what I wanted my envelopes to say, and I did tell her, and I only got a chance to pick out the color but not a certain design. So this is what they say: handmade with love. Let's see if there's anything on the back, and there's not. Loved how these are wrapped neatly, and these are so shiny. Let's see if I can put something behind it, that way you can see them a little better. So they look like this, and this one just shows out of town with the stars, which I love by the way. So there's health. Next we have here's one with my name on it, and it looks like that. And oh my gosh, y'all, the light doesn't do this justice at all whatsoever. Can you see all of the sparkles? Like, look at that, just look at it. So we have my name. Next we have oops, And this is just for like miscellaneous. So we have oops, or things we didn't budget for. So after that, we have the stove. Yes, I said it right. The stove. DASTO. You know, most folks say, where you going? And you'll reply with, I'm going to the stove. So yeah, the stove. So we have all of these. And let's just see how this look with $1 in it. Uh-oh, did that the wrong way. Oh, well, it looks like it doesn't matter which side you put it on because they're colorful on both sides. And this is how it would look, which is beautiful. So this is the stove. Let's see if we can get the name of these. Let me just check her Instagram and see if she has a name for these. So let's just scroll through to see if we do see my envelopes. Guys, don't mind my phone because, yeah, I finally ordered a phone case. So this is her Instagram, ms.calibudgets. And when I scroll through, I'm not seeing the envelopes that I have, nor a name. So now I feel extra special. So now we know that they look like this on the back. And they look like this on the front. I'm also going to check to see if there's one that's sort of kind of like this one. Wasn't able to find one that was pretty close to this. So let's just check to see how this envelope would look in my Kate Spade wallet. It's actually a planner, but it's my wallet. So guys, I went through, put the envelopes in my wallet, and this is what they look like. So we have the store. We have oops. We have Desiree. And then we have health, and the last one says out of town, which I didn't put $1 in that one, but this is how it would look, just completely clear. And compare it to my other envelopes, this one is just a little bit longer. If you can see, let's see if I can show you what I'm talking about. And I'll just take one that has $1 in it. So can you see the difference? So it's all lined up on this side. And this is the one that I had, and this one is the new one. So it's just a little bit longer, which is totally okay with me. And these are also punched for a personal size. So now that we have those out of the way, and this is going to go nice with my envelopes. So we got that out the way. So this one here, it looks like it may be a bullet journal. And it says Boss Babe, and it has my old YouTube name, which was Budget Me to Wealth. Now, remember, I did change my name, and that was after she sent me a message on Instagram, but it's totally okay. So now I was thinking that I should probably attempt to bullet journal for the month of August. So I've just written out a few things. I'm not really sure how these would actually work for me, but we'll see. We'll see. I did order some stencils from Amazon, so I can't wait to get those in the mail, and they would help a lot. Now this back here, let's see. Oh, so you can open it. So you can open it, and if I can get this out. So let's see what this is. So this is the name of the bullet journal, and this is stickers. So stickers where you can write out, look like you can make a list. So thank you guys for watching. I do hope you have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to use my code if you would like to order, and you have until August the 15th. And I'll just double check to make sure. And nope, looks like it's until August the 31st. So my code is idesireewealth 15. So thanks again, Ms.CaliBudget, for sending me this PR box. I definitely enjoyed the envelopes that you made for me.